In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to find the official TradingView site through Google, explore the community section, choose a creator whose work you like, and follow them so their ideas show up in your feed. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView and hit Enter. Before you click anything, double-check that you're going to the official website. You should see tradingview.com in the link with the padlock icon in your address bar once the page loads. Avoid lookalike links or third-party pages. Going straight to the source keeps your account and data safer. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, look along the top navigation for the Community tab. This is where traders and investors share chart ideas, scripts, and market commentary. Click Community to open a feed of posts and profiles. Take a moment to scroll and get a feel for the layout. The thumbnails usually preview charts, and each post shows who published it and when. From here, pick a user you want to follow. You can choose someone based on the markets you care about, their style of analysis, or how consistently they post. Click on a post that catches your eye, then click the author's name or avatar to jump to their profile. On the profile page, scan through their recent ideas, the symbols they cover, and any educational notes they include. Check the dates to see how active they are, and browse comments to understand how they engage with the community. Remember, community content reflects personal opinions. Use it as input for your own research, not as financial advice. When you're ready, click the follow button on that profile. It's typically near the top of the page, close to the user's header. Following adds their new posts to your following feed on TradingView, making it easier to keep up without hunting them down each time. If your interests change later, you can return to the profile to unfollow. Nothing is permanent. And that's the whole process. Search for TradingView on Google, enter the site, open Community, choose a creator, and press follow. It's a quick way to build a curated stream of charts and ideas tailored to how you learn. If you found this helpful, practice by exploring a few profiles today, compare their approaches, and follow the ones that align with your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.